welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making a matcha latte. So we have our matcha powder, and what we're going to do is we're just going to take about 1.5 teaspoons of the matcha powder and put it directly into a cup. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of hot water. So you just add the hot water to the matcha powder and mix away all the clumps. If you have to use a whisk, you can do so. There's also some special whisks that are for matcha tea. They're made out of bamboo. Once that is liquidy and lump-free, I have a milk frother. You just need hot milk, it doesn't have to be frothed. And we also have some honey. So the honey is basically to taste. I'm putting about 2 teaspoons. And there I have my hot milk. I'm just going to add it to the matcha. And take a look at this. How pretty is that? And here you go. Oh, it tastes very good. It tastes excellent. It's very high quality and it really, really tastes good. And I find that the honey mixed in with the milk really just gives it that like warm and cozy, comfy feeling. So enjoy your matcha latte. Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.